Hi. So I know I've been MIA for 2 weeks now, but I have a good reason, okay? And that is because I've had midterms for the last couple of weeks and it was really stressful. I didn't really have enough time to make videos and just sit here and talk to the camera, so I had to stop. Anyways, I'm back now, and I swear to God that will never happen ever again, because if there's anything that I learned, it is to film ahead of time and just edit ahead of time. Anyways, today I will be playing Among Us by myself. I know that a lot of people, when they're making these types of videos, they usually play with someone they know, and like that's really not the case for me, because I don't know, I just enjoy playing by myself and, you know, trash talking people who I don't know. Anyway, let's get started. Okay, so I'll start screen recording right now. I'm Egg, by the way. Why did I choose that name? I don't know. Anyways. Swiping. Oh my god, I hate this. Someone's dead already. What the heck? Okay, who is it? Well, I was with red, so it can't be red. Unless... Not me. Why are they blaming me? Red, I was with you the entire time. Oh, let's go to security. Maybe we'll see something spectacular. We're not seeing anything. Okay. Walking around. Oh my god, why is orange following me? Bro, I died. Bitch, I told you it's not me. Well, I'm a crewmate. Let's do the task, boys. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, mother trucker. Okay, great. There must be a killing happening right here. Hi. Hi. Oh. Okay. Is orange? Is it? No, I thought it was orange and she vented, or he. I swear to God, if they blame me, it's not me. Oh my god! It's cyan! Not cyan, vote me! Did they just vote me? I swear. Bro. Bro. You know why I love long nails? Because I can do this. And it just sounds so satisfying. Like, I don't know why, but it's just my type of ASMR, you know? It's not me, 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 it's not me. I like you too. Is it red? Is it red? No, don't kill me, don't kill me, don't kill me. I just died. Oh my god. No. Hi. Dude, purple just... Oh. I have never been once an imposter yet. Ugh, this stupid card. There. I just died. I wasn't even doing anything. Black dude in your area. We're having a whole last meeting right here. Carrot, come on, let's go. No, never mind. Yay! Bro, I'm just walking. Why did you kill me? Okay, so I think I'm done. I have fully accepted within myself that I'm not gonna be an imposter today. But anyways, that is it for the video, you guys. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. Also, I upload every Thursdays at 3 p.m. and Sundays if I feel like it, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!
Missing someone